Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe, where we talk about luxury from my perspective. Today, I'm going to be telling you the top 3 reasons why you need to buy a brooch today. Brooches have been that really love it or hate it item within the luxury community. Some people think it's a little frivolous to spend that much money on costume jewelry, but I just might change your mind on how to really utilize a brooch to your advantage. Of course, I could show you various ways of how to style a brooch, put it in your hair, put it on your shirt, put it on a jacket. But no, boo-boo, I need to show you the real hack for a brooch, and you're gonna be gagged. My first reason of why you should get a brooch is because you can participate in the trends. What trends? Belt bags and backpacks. Of course, these are still going strong within the luxury community, and this just makes sense, okay? Now, if you're not someone who's super trendy and don't really want to invest in an actual trend because trends cost money, this is the perfect way. If I didn't tell you that YSL didn't make this bag, I'm pretty sure you would not know. I have my YSL brooch on this lovely chevron backpack, and it looks damn good on here. And of course, I have a little belt bag number with my Gucci brooch on it, which I really love because I can make my bags a one-of-a-kind piece because not everybody will have it. Come on, it's really dope. I know a lot of people are into the bougie on the budgets, and then there are people who strictly have authentic pieces. And then there are people who love participating with the dupes. And I just feel like this way is the perfect way to have a little bit of authenticity mixed with a dupe without actually carrying a knockoff. So, I mean, it's worth a try, isn't it? The second reason why you should invest in the brooch is color. This is the easiest way to add a little color to your wardrobe. Now, we all have had a little bit of color transfer on some of our favorite bags. So why not add a little color without breaking the bank? Now, I know a lot of us try to say invest in the classic colors, you know, your taupes, your blacks, but who doesn't want to add a little fun and pizzazz to their collection? I think this is a genius way to add that punch of color that you would like in your collection, but you're too afraid to add it, or you know, you just don't want to invest that money into a bag with color because it is so hard to match a red or a purple or a green in your collection. So this is a really budget-friendly way of doing that, so you can have a little fun with your collection without breaking the bank. Also, bonus, if you have kids in your life who, you know, you don't really necessarily want to buy them something super luxurious, this is a great way to show if they're responsible or not. So if they happen to lose their bag, at least you're only losing $300 or $400 versus $3,000. So this is a great way for those preteens in your life that you really want to test their, you know, level of maturity when it comes to luxury items. And I mean, come on, it's really cute. The final reason, probably the biggest reason why you should get a brooch is the look for less, of course. This is giving off the business affinity backpack vibe, and I freaking love this. I know brooches are not cheap. They're really expensive, especially if they're Chanel. So the reason why I would totally invest in a brooch versus the bag is because the business affinity bag is well over $5,000. So if I can get the look for less and spend maybe $700 on a brooch, I mean, who gonna check me, boo? I think this is the perfect way to really get the look for less when it comes to some of those high-end bags that you might not be able to afford or want to even spend that much money on. Come on. I still get that vibe that I want, and people probably will look twice at it only because, you know, this is an actual Chanel brooch, and honestly, it looks really good with this bag, and it gives you that same feel, and you're able to get that feel and that look and don't have to break the bank. So this is my top reason why you should buy a brooch right now and, you know, save a little bit of cash. Let me know in the comments, is this a vibe? Is this going to be a trend? Would you do this? Because I most certainly have. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.